Hi guys, welcome back, and to this episode or today's video is we're going to do a quick review for Samsung A05s. And ito yun. Hindi na natin siya i-unbox dito kasi wala naman siya laman practically. Pero open na rin natin for you to ito lang siya. Nilabas ko na yung phone nung pagka-purchase ko. So ito lang yung laman niya. Ito. Then, pag in-open natin siya, yung cable. Type-C to Type-C cable. And then, SIM ejector pin or for the memory card. Yung pin. And then, itong yung cover ng phone, plastic. So, nakasulat Infinity U display, triple camera, and fingerprint. Yung fingerprint side-mounted siya. So, unlock natin yung phone. Ito na yung unit guys. Unlock muna natin bago natin i-explore yung phone. Then, lock natin. Unlock. Kung mabilis yung response. Game. Oh, bilis diba? Yan. Na-install ko na rin siya ng Mobile Legends and YouTube channel. Anyway, ito yung back of the phone. Ang nakuha kong color is light green. So, this is 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Plastic back and glass front. Speaking of the screen, yung display type niya is PLS LCD with 90Hz of refresh rate. And then yung size ng screen is 6.7 inches siya. Although, meron siyang bezels. Medyo makapal ito. Sa ilalim and sa top. And then the screen resolution is 1080 by 2400. Currently, yung platform nito and then yung OS niya is Android 13 pa lang. So, wala pa siyang upgrade for Android 14. Yung primary phone ko, yung A73, meron na siyang update to Android 14. Ito wala pa. Pero sana meron siya. And yung pinaka-highlight naman for me dito sa phone na to is the chipset. It is Snapdragon 680 4G. So, 4G lang tong phone. Hindi siya 5G. Pero maganda dito is good for game performance. Kasi nag-research ako about the chipset Snapdragon 680 4G. Okay for gaming and the performance. So, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung sa gaming and the performance na na-experience ko on this phone. Ito yung memory card slot and then SIM slot. Ang gusto ko dito sa phone, it has 2 SIM slot and then 1 for memory card. Pwede siya up to 1 terabyte. So, yun ang gusto ko dito. And dito naman sa ilalim is the loudspeaker, Type-C port, and then the headphone jack. Meron siya. So, yun ang okay sa akin. Although, 1 speaker lang siya sa ilalim. And then, yun lang. Hindi siya dual speaker. Sa taas is the mic, the power button, and the volume control, up and down. So, yun lang. Ang ganda guys nung likod niya. Gusto ko yung color. So, tama yung pinili kong color. And with the triple camera here. And then, guys, ito yung camera. Medyo hindi ko gusto yung part ng camera dito sa phone na to. Mamaya, I'll show you the sample picture and video. But for the camera, it has triple camera. The main camera is 50 megapixel, followed by 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth. Meron siyang LED flash and it can record up to 1080p up to 60 fps. Meron din 30 fps and pwede siya mag-zoom up to 10 times. And then yung selfie camera, front camera, Payusha U, it has 13 megapixels. Yung front video, pwede rin siya mag-record ng 1080p up to 60 fps. So here are the samples, videos, and photos taken from this phone. then, yung video niya, kung napapansin nyo, parang may hinahanap siyang ifo-focus. Nag-try na ako ng 3 beses, ganun pa rin siya. Parang may hinahanap siya ifo-focus, gumagano'n siya. So, and then, pag ginalaw mo siya, medyo nadi-distort yung video. So, yung quality ng video, and then for pictures is siguro pang ano lang, Instagram level, tsaka pang Facebook level. Pero pag ipopost nyo siya sa YouTube, na kailangan mas maganda yung quality, hindi siya masyadong maganda. So, yun lang masasabi ko. Pero, depende sa inyo guys, kung meron na kayong ganito, let me know kung maganda naman yung sample pictures and video ninyo. Pwede nyo siya akin i-share sa Facebook page ko. Meron din ako doon. Follow me there. And then, pwede kayo mag-post doon. And guys, since Snapdragon ang chipset nito, I tried playing Mobile Legends on this phone. Surprisingly, okay ang performance niya. Ang tinest ko lang game dito is Mobile Legends lang. Kasi yun naman yung pinaka-popular game sa atin. Nagka-tournament pa nga kami sa office eh. Talo kami. Anyway, yung high frame rate niya dito is pwede siya up to super. And then yung graphics niya is pwede siya up to ultra. Pero ginagamit ko lang siya up to high. Kasi pag ultra, medyo nasa-sacrifice na yung graphic niya. And then yung performance ng game, nasa slow motion. Pag nagka-clash na kayo, bumabagal siya. So I recommend up to high graphic lang. Pero okay siya sa Mobile Legends. With the memory card, nilagay ko siya ng memory card na yung 256. Medyo puno na rin yung files ng memory card ko dito. So, okay siya. Hindi siya naglalag. Okay for gaming. And of course, the battery size of this is 5,000 mAh. Very good, di ba? And it lasted around 2 to 3 days for me. With minimal use. Siguro, konting games sa Mobile Legends. Okay siya. Okay yung battery niya. 5,000 mAh. And it can charge up to 25 watts. Hindi siya pwede wireless charging. Wired charging dapat siya dito. And finally, the weight of this phone is 194 grams. Medyo okay na rin yung bigat ng phone. Although, di pa ako nakakabili ng protective case dito. Usually, pag may bagong phone ako, binibilang ko siya ng casing. So, what I don't like about this phone is the camera. Hindi masyado maganda yung quality ng pictures and video. So, do not expect too much. So, what's good about this phone is meron siyang headphone jack. Meron din siyang radio. And this phone is good for playing Mobile Legends, watching YouTube, and Netflix or other video kasi nga sa screen size niya. And if you are asking guys, wala siyang screen recording feature. This phone was released last October 2023. Tapos, ito yung resibo with the price of 7,990 peso. Siguro this phone is good for gift to your parents na mahilig makinig ng radyo, manood ng YouTube and Netflix. Lalo na, di ba, kay Tulfo? Mahilig din ako manood ng Tulfo eh. YouTube. And kasi nga, with 5,000 mAh battery, so it will last all day. So, good for gift sa parents and sa bata and sa kids. Lalo na malapit na yung Christmas. So, yun lang guys. For the price, medyo pricey sa akin. Yun lang. Yun lang yung problem. And the quality nga of the camera. Other than that, guys, gusto ko yung color niya and the screen size. And then nga, inabanggit ko kayo na yung other features about this phone. So, ayun lang guys. I hope you gain some information about this phone and for my quick review of this phone. For more questions, guys, please comment below and I will answer it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!